Assalamualaikum student, welcome in your class. Today your topic is primes, highest common factor and lowest common multiple. And subtopic is exercise 1A. Now let me start the question number 1. Question number 1 is determine whether each of the following is prime or a composite number. In this question you find the prime number or composite number. In your previous lecture we also described how we find the prime or composite number. Now start the question. Question number 1, A part. A part is 87. Solution is now. First of all, anyone tell me 87 is a even number or odd number? 87 is an odd number. Which are not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. Now let me start how we find the prime number or composite number. Now you add the number of this. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. You know very well 15 is divided on the table of 1, 3 and 5. Okay ji, 15 is divisible by 3 and 5. It means it's a composite number. Now we start the next question. Next part is a C part. C part is 73. Solution. Now first of all we find it's an even number or odd number. 73 is an odd number. 73 is an odd number that are not divisible by 2. Now let we sum up of this number. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now 10 is easily divisible by 2 and 5. 10 is divisible by 2 and 5. Now it's a prime number or composite number? It's a composite number. And its remaining part B and D, it's your homework. After that we start the question number 2. Question number 2 is find the prime factorization of each of the following number. After that, leaving your answer in the index notation. First of all, in this question you find the prime factorization and convert in index notation. First part is 72. Solution. Okay ji. Now you find the prime factorization of 72. Okay ji. Now you divide in the smallest number. 2, 2, 3 the 6 and 1 carries here. 2, 6 are 12. You divide the values until when you got the answer is 1. 2, 1 the 2 and 1 carries here. 2, 8 the 16. 2, 9 the 18 and 3, 3 the 9 and 3, 1 the 3. It's a prime factor of 72. Now you write prime factor of 72. Now you multiply 2, 2, 2. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 on the 3 time and 3 multiplied by 3 on the 2 time. It's a prime factor of the 72. Now you convert it index notation. Now you sum up the value. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 is on time of 1, 2 and 3. 2 the power of 3 and 3 on the 2 time. 2 you write the power of 2. It's a index notation. It's your answer. After that we start the C part. 336. Solution. Now first you find the prime factorization of 336. Now you multiply of the smallest value. 2 1 the 2, 1 carries here, 2 6 are 12, 1 carries here, 2 8 the 16. Now you multiply on the 2, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 4 the 8 and 2 2 the 4, 2 2 the 4 and 2 1 the 2, 3 7 the 21 and 7 1 the 7. Prime factor of 336 is equal to 1 2 3 4. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now 3 multiplied by 7. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. 2 on the 4 time and 3 on the 1 time and 7 on the 1 time. It's your answer. After the question number 2, we find the question number 3. Question number 3 is find each of the following by using prime factorization. And A part is this sign is square root of 1764. Now we find the square root. Now you find the square root with the help of prime factorization. 1764. Okay, G. 2 8 the 16. 1 carry is here. 2 8 the 16 and 2 to the 4. 2 4 the 8. 2 4 the 8 and 2 1 the 2. Now they divided on the 21. 21 to the 42. 2 carries here and 21 the 21. 21 the 21. Under root 1764. Now we write the prime factor of under root 1764. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21. Okay, G. Now you're making the pair and converting in index notation. 2 on the 2 time and 21 on the 2 time. You write separately. 2 power square under root 21. These powers cut on the square root. Now what is the remaining value? 2 multiplied by 21 and you multiply on the 2 multiplied by 21. 2 multiplied by 21 is equal to 42. Now you find your answer is right or wrong. You multiply the 42 on the itself, yeah, on the multiply on by 2 time. 42 multiplied by 42. 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8. 4 to the 8 and 4 4 the 16. 4, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 1 carries here. 6 and 1 7 and 1 carries here. 1764 is the same as it is your question. Means your answer is right. After that we find the C part of this question. Cube root of 3375. Solution. Okay. 3375. Now you divide in the smallest value 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 1. After that you find the cube root in this question 3375. 3 we write the with help of prime factorization. 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 1 carries here. 3 5 the 15. Now 3 3 the 9, 2 carries here. 3 7 the 21, 1 carries here. 3 5 the 15. Now you multiply further on the divided by 3, 3 1 the 3, 3 to the 6, 1 carries here, 3 5 the 15. After that divided on 5, 5 to the 10, 1 2 carries here, 5 5 the 25. After that it's a 25, 5 5 the 25 and 5 1 the 5. Now write the prime factorization. Yeah, prime factor of these values. Cube root 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now we're converting index notation. 3 on the 3 time and 5 on the 3 time. Write separately. These values when cut on power, what is the remaining value? 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. If you check your answer, you feel that your answer is right or wrong. Now you multiply by the 15 on the 3 time and you got the same value, the 3375. and its remaining part B, and it's your homework. After the question number 3, we'll find the question number 4. Given that the prime factorization of 9801 is 3 power 4 multiplied by 11 power 2, find the square root of 9801. In this question, prime factorization also given. You just find the square root. 9801 is equal to 3 power 4 multiplied by 11 power 2. This form is index notation. You write in separately. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 11 multiplied by 11. Now you're making the pair 3, 3, 3 and 11. Now you write in the power 3 power 2, 3 power 2 and 11 power 2. Now you find the square root. Then write the square root on it. Power is cut on the square root. Remaining value is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. 3 3 the 9. 9 multiplied by 11. 9 multiplied by 11 is equal to 99. It's your answer. You feel your answer is right or wrong, you multiply by 99 on 2 times and you got the same value is like that 9801. After that, diary. Diary is to practice of classwork plus do homework of exercise 1A, question number 1, 2, 3, B and D part plus question number 5 on your notebook. If you have any problem in regarding the question, please contact with me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.